Mount Etna in the island of Sicily in Italy is the highest active volcano in the Europe, not in the Eurasia, of course. It's a stratovolcano. That means it's a conical shape, layered. It has very beautiful dramatic eruptions. This is the most recent one. And now it is still erupting, but not at this level. This was the highest we have seen in the recent weeks. The summit of it is changing all the time because of this eruption that is continuously happening there. So the shape of the summit is not the same. You expect that the tallest point, or one of these most pitted one, be the eruptive vent. Is not. So the level of activity is reduced, but we have yet some activity. Some Strombolian means fountaining of lava. This is the style of the eruption we call the Strombolian, after the Stromboli volcano in Italy, who does erupt like this. We see these fountains of the lava during the night, and is yet continuing, so it's nothing strange in that sense. In the dark, you can see that from far away. Some of the summits are not active. This one is active. You can see these fountains in this long-term photograph. And the eruption is just continuing, and is not, as you can see here, is not the highest point from this perspective, from this point of view, but that point is actually highest. When you get close to and you measure the height, you can see that. So this summit, where it is, this is the question I asked in the beginning, which of these vents is there? So these are several vents that we were seeing, and this is the Voragin, the one in the yellow that was erupting in the last eruption, filled nearby Volcanova, filled it up and then overflow from there. So when we put these diagrams that I produced and compare it with that picture that I showed you in the beginning and showed you again, you realize that this eruptive point is somewhere that I'm marking it now for you. That is in that rectangle. This is the Voragin, means chasm or deep pit, and the Bocanova, again, similar word, means the new pit. So this is the eruption of the Etna, still continuing.